back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm very excited. We're gonna be going to the beach in the night, of course, and we're gonna arrive like at 1 a.m. 1 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna be changing. So yeah, I'll be right there. Just wait. We're back. So yeah, that's what we did. I just want to go change. So yeah. Yeah. So this is the clothes that I'm gonna be wearing. This little cute dress. Okay.